career, typically the first half is about balancing their personal professional growth with the care roles at home, and this is an important phase but could be overwhelming as our systems, culture, priorities and the perceived career management are functioning in a certain way, and during this phase they often see the career priorities to personal realities. Now the second half is about prioritizing their own voices and ambitions, but they need to craft a path that works best for them for decades. Smart companies have already been flexing on how, when and where a woman's career evolves for years, and with changing expectations of women in careers, they're having policies which promote greater opportunities and career paths for women. But what's more important is the knowledge, experience and skills a woman brings to the table. My expectation predominantly was on the keep learning mantra and create a positive impact in every role I do. So this is a period of disruption and change. Women are very much aware of the focused effort by the organizations in promoting gender diversity, and they are aware that they will be treated equally as long as they bring in the skills and ability to contribute. They are clear that this is not a case of female dominance, and but to level the playing field, and this will require a man's buy-in as well, and they're up for the game. They are putting in great effort in learning, competency building and creating their own value and worth for the organization. However, there is a moderate percentage of women who are still unclear about the way forward, and Infosys is putting in great effort in carving out their career trajectories and providing them the development opportunities. The women are sometimes not able to realize their strength. There is a mental block that they're not the best in the game, no matter how much of a preparation they would have done. They need to think, speak and act in a manner that will claim their space and add balance, nuance and substance to their actions. They should use their strengths to do what they do best every day, and when they find synergy between the career and life, they'll be unstoppable. As employees, managers and leaders, they'll propel business to new heights of success. A supportive culture for inclusion and equity, policies and guidelines to enable a women talent. Women talent should actually feel connected to the organization. They should feel that things indeed do happen on the ground, and that diversity focus is not just a lip service. Open up projects and opportunities that will promote the development of skills. Open dialogue, clear communication and sharing of information are crucial. This will empower women employees at all levels. Focused efforts towards training and education to enhance sensitivity, balance out the unconscious biases, and help everyone embrace an inclusive workspace while promoting a growth mindset for all the employees. So most of this happens at Infosys currently. We have many global and local initiatives which continue to strengthen the participation of women in technology and business, be it AI-based coaching, women in leadership program, MomsNet, return to work, women in technology and others. Onus is now on the women of Infosys to leverage this and realize their true potential to be leaders. So in my career at Infosys, what has stood out for me is the strong focus on career development, continuous learning and a culture of innovation. There's an equal focus on customers as well as employees. There's a strong sense of belongingness and trust. You have a great opportunity to learn and thrive if you have the right attitude.